I've always been fascinated by music, so if I could choose a talent, I'd love to be a virtuoso pianist. The ability to express myself through the keys of a piano and create beautiful melodies would be incredibly fulfilling.
I'm an avid traveler, and I'd choose the talent of speaking multiple languages fluently. It would enhance my cultural experiences and allow me to connect with people from diverse backgrounds on a deeper level.
If I could have any talent, I would choose the ability to paint and create breathtaking works of art. Artistic expression is a powerful way to communicate emotions and ideas.
I'd love to possess the talent of being an exceptional chef. Cooking delicious and creative dishes would bring joy to myself and those I share them with.
For me, the talent of persuasive public speaking would be invaluable. It could help me convey my ideas effectively and inspire positive change in society.
The talent I'd choose is writing. Being a skilled writer would allow me to create captivating stories and communicate my thoughts and experiences with eloquence.
If I had the talent to heal, I'd become a doctor. The ability to alleviate suffering and save lives would be incredibly rewarding.
I would choose the talent of inventing innovative technology. Innovations have the power to transform the world, and I would like to contribute to advances that improve our lives and face global challenges.
If I could choose one talent, it would be the gift of athletics. The physical capacity and endurance of athletes always surprise me. I would love to excel in a certain sport, be it football, basketball, or anything else.
I've always admired people who can dance gracefully. If I could choose a talent, I'd want to be a professional dancer and express myself through movement.
I wish I had a talent for mathematics. The ability to effortlessly solve complex problems and equations is both intellectually challenging and practical. It opens doors to diverse career opportunities.
I have always admired people with a talent for working wood. The ability to create functional and artistic pieces from raw materials is truly impressive. I would love to create my own furniture and decorative items.
If I could choose one talent, it would be the gift of teaching. Inspiring and transmitting knowledge to others is a talent that has a profound impact on the world. I would love to be able to educate and empower people to reach their full potential.
Thanks for watching. If this video was useful for you, please like it and subscribe our channel. We are always happy to create new content for you.